Siyabingelela ubingelela baba udokotela baba Sizwe ojabulile ubingelela baba udokotela baba Sizwe ojabulile nina TikTok. This is baba udokotela shampoo siyakubona siyanibona Mpilo Ntethe siyangibona mkhulu Mahlangu siyanibona. Thank you very much siyanibona baba udokotela baba Sizwe ojabulile ufana umhleja ngekhehle emzulu amancengisi. Hayi ngihlupha nangokotini ke nje ngihlupha ngokotini kodwa zinyanga zami xolisane mekusa nje kukotini ngiyinkinga nginihluphile. Hayi phela singakhuluma lokho. Nginkinga nginihluphile kakhulu. Nocina uphuza ugologobizayo nje nibe ningenawo imize nama ventilator. Can you imagine uphuza ugologobizayo umuzwa khona ama ventilator kodwa ngisho lutho. This is baba udokotela umelaphi wendabuko. Ngisebenzele building isebenza uthi Nedbank House building. Kuleli building leli kuyagqila zakhe. Ngise 19 floor 1904. Ngiyashutha manje ngise dark room studio number 1 kuzothi e10:01 ngivule i-center yokulapha abantu kwababa udokotela wellness place laphana liyabhubha senza okungenzeki kwezinye indawo. Namhlanje sine topic ethi return trip from Qatar. Ngihambile ke ngayizweni lase Qatar ngizonibuyela ke nomsebenzi nereport enhle kakhulu ukuthi kwenziwa ake ngingenile na yeka baba udokotela wellness place. It's not a wellness center, it's a wellness place. Laphana ke silapha abantu ngokuhlukana kwabo. Number 1 sidila kakhulu nabantu abanama fibroids, abantu abane cyst asibasiza. Aqala phansi sidila kakhulu nabantu abana fibroids bese ukuthi umuntu one cyst angaze ngimbone esizakala ngomuthi mhlawumbe uzoqala ukusizakala at my age angaze ngimbone. Sidile kakhulu nabantu besilisa nabesifazana abazama ukuthola abantwana. And we make sure ukuthi siyabasiza. Sidila kakhulu nabantu abanezilonda ethi umuntu isilonda sakhe asipheli umuntu osuke ene uric acid deposit emzimbeni wakhe. Sinento ethi uric acid deposit whereby umzimba wonke uhlezi ubuhlungu then siyadila nalonto enithi amahlala khona nini. Then kuzoba abantu abacomplicate kakhulu kwi diabetic type 2 insulin. Ubaba udokotela baba Sizwe ojabulile sinivuleleke indawo kunabantu abanenkinga yamehlo cataracts build up glaucoma build up. Laba bantu laba siyabasiza kakhulu not ukuthi umuntu ose blind completely but ngifuna lona one cataracts build up osekubona ukuthi usizogcina ngasaboni. Laba bantu ke sivuleke iclinic kuzoba ke ilabo abanentshisekelo ukuthi bakholelwa ukuthi induku yabo abalwa ngayo ekamerweni encane. Ngicela ukusebenzisa lo gama induku yabo abalwa ngayo ekamerweni incane ayibenelisi. Senze i-research ukuthola ukuthi yini ebangela ukuthi ibe ncane. Number 1 abantu abasemajele abahlala iminyaka eminingi iyancipha ibe ncane because it is non-use ayisetshenziswa. Kuzothi abantu abadala the more ukhula the more ishrinka because i-office lakho lisuke lingasekho busy kakhulu. Ngalondlela ka i-blood circulation isuke isidomati ngalondlela isiyancipha. Mase kuzoba khona aba-genetic deficit abasuke bezelwe nje nenduku encane nje sidalo kuhlukile ke kubona lokho ke sibatreat njalo kodwa nje laba abane shrinkage ngifuna lo thena ethi baba udokotela ngathi iyancipha lento. Angisho umuntu mina othi uvese uphethe isiqhambana ngizomnika umuntu okusinweba. I'm not talking about that. Ngifuna lo thi uyashrinka kuloyo ke esikwazi ukumsiza ke. Abantu ke nje abathi baze baba udokotela ngezizathu ezahlukahlukene badla amaphilisi eTB badla ama-ARVs badla shukela bafuna ukuzokwenziwa ama blood test kuphela. They come to baba udokotela sifike sibasizeke labo bantu ke lapho. Asiphumeni ke lapho this is baba udokotela baba Sizwe ojabulile ufana umhleja ngekhehle emzulu amancengisi. Anizusiza ke nina ke enithi nifuna ukulungelwa izinto kodwa kunento engifuna ukuthi ngisho lana ngamabomu nje yinento engingakunika yona breakthrough literally engathi yenze uma uyenzi kahle lento any amount of money that you want especially wena ngingakunika lo muthi lo bese ngithi upheke neqanda umuso uyawudla lingakaphumi ilanga. I repeat, I have something that I can able to give it to you wena upeni ngiyakubona wena uthi ku social media. Into lena enginika umuntu but umuntu engimnika le yanto umuntu esuke sengingamthemba about sharing the secret. umuthi engikunika wona okokuqala. Wena uthathe lakho iqanda efrijini. Mase ngicela ukuthi wenze njenaka. Uzothola umchamo wakho, uzophuza amanzi kakhulu, njengoba uthi wena uchama ebusuku vese isizwe zakho zinenkinga. Uzophuza amanzi kakhulu. Ngiyabingelela kubo bonke abantu abangibonayo njengamanje ku TikTok, siyabonga kakhulu. Njengamanje we are sitting at 1500 likes, where viewership is more than 128, growing. Angeke ngiphinde ngiyikhulume lento. Uma u serious ngokuthi kunento oyifunela imali yona. Uma u serious, angiyikhuluma uma leshesha yonke cha. Ngifuna nje umuntu o serious ethi baba udokotela, I now I can do whatever. Sengihamba sengenza noma yini osungayo sengayenza. Lesimi ngekusona, I'm on the verge of losing my house, losing my car. Ngizokunika lo muthi. Mase ngithi vuka ekseni abo 2, 3 uhambe uchama. Uchamele kwicontainer. Ufake lo muthi phakathi. Uthathe lo mchamo uyofaka ebhodweni uwupheke. Leqanda leli. You cook your egg with this Moriana Mushonga setlare umuthi. You cook this egg. I'll give you Moriana Mushonga. Uyawutiba mushonga. Amavenda athi kumshonga. Uyawutiba mushonga. Yeah, bathi mushonga amavenda. Uthatha ke lo muthi. Ufaka la entweni ozochamela kuyona. Uma usuchama ubuphakathi lo muthi. Ufaka ebhodweni, uma usuyawupheka. Livuthwe iqanda, uchithe umchamo wakho nalomuthi, uhlube iqanda, peel off the egg. And thereafter, stand up, don't sit. Stand up, don't sit. Unless you're seated on wheelchair, it's different. I cannot say stand up while you're supposed to be in wheelchair. Hold the egg like this. Say your cardinal intention, not intentions, intention. Say the most important thing while you are holding the egg, facing the egg. Believe you me, anything that you have spoken, it's going to happen. It is going to happen. If unengane engayitholi ibail at all, uma unomuntu wakini owagwetshwayo sebephumile abanye ngeparole. This is what you're supposed to be doing. Ukuze ukuthi yena akwazi ukuthi aphume lapha. Ichwane emeliphume eqandeni alicele enkukhwini. Aliceli kumuntu. Aliceli even kumnikazi wenkukhu. Aliceli even kwamanye amaqanda alisukele nawo. Liphuma kanjalo. That is why ngiyakunika ke lento uma usuyayidla. Eyomuntu kodwa on the verge of collapsing. Not anyone on the verge of collapsing ngoba angifuni ukuthi ngithi mina ngikwenzisa into kanti bofuna ukutesta, asitestile. Wena odinga lento mina engikunika futhi. This is Baba Dokotela Voices bojabulile. Bantu bakithi ake sikhulume lento. Kunomuntu njengamanje obuka le video usenkantini. Kunomuntu njengamanje obuka le video ulinda ukuzongena ishift ka2 emsebenzini, uhlele ema change room, ulele ebenchini. Ubuka le video uthi umuntu evenamanga. Kunomuntu obuka le video usewadini, unesi osebenza kuhulumeni, uthi lo bhuti evegqoka kahle. Kunomuntu ongibukayo njengamanje oseBotford West, oseNice, uthi uda indoda engafinyelela kanjani kuyona, because ugulelwa umuntu wakubo. Lo muntu wakubo uyangena ezibhedlela, uyaphuma ezibhedlela akasindi. Ayikho imithi ezwelayo kuyena. Umthandazo awuzweli, prescription drugs ayizweli, imithi yesintu ayizweli, kanti yini ezwelayo kuyena. Awazi ukuthi babenze njani, mina ngiyazi ukuthi why engasindi. I know why engasindi. And ngiyazi mina ukuthi senza njani mesifuna ukuthi umuntu agule isikhathi eside, ayidle imali yakubo kuphela inkomo angafi, aze afe mase kuthanda thina. Now we need to reverse that. Lento sibiza ukuthi kwa engineering is reverse engineering. Enza njenake. Go and look for the nail that is rusted. I repeat, hamba uyobheka isipikili esirastile, but the nail must be straight, not the bended one. If it has bended, don't try to straighten it. No, find a nail that is already rusted. Now we have to look for the nail. Look for that nail. Once you procure or find that nail anywhere else, once wasithola lesipikili, hold this nail and then speak to this nail that as I'm taking you here, you are no longer on the dead. I am going to put you on a human being who is sick. That is my mom, that is my daughter, that is my father, that is my stepson, that is my stepchild, that is my neighbor that is alone in the house. Ngifuna ukuthi asinde. Thatha ke lesipikili lesi. Fika kulo muntu umlalise abheke phezulu. He must face up or she must face up. So sibekela ku sternum lethambe la. NgesiZulu sithi ungeklane between the breast la phakathi kwamabele sibekeka lesipikili. Lokho ocutsila kubheke phansi ovalweni, lokho kuyikhanda kubheke ngakuyena. Sibeke kuyena for 2 hours. Kusukela ngo-10 kuze kushaya u-12 emini. Jetha akalala abheke phezulu noma bakuvume. He or she must try to find herself comfortable, even that is painful. Uma ususithatha lesipikili, wear ama-gloves and then sithathe lesipikili. Thola isando, a nail or a stone or a brick or anything strong. Hamba ke manje nakhe nalesipikili. What we normally do it at 6 p.m. sisuse ngo-8 ebusuku kuyena. Mase sesingena emotweni sihamba naso ke lesipikili siya endaweni ebusy. Indawo evamise ukuba busy ehamba abantu, indawo nje ehamba abantu abayaleba kodwa indawo ebusy. Sithathe lesipikili soshayelela khona, ushayele singene sonke ehlabathini singasabonakali. Leave it. Within a week that person will start to recover. That person will start to ask for water, will start to ask for this, that person will recover completely. Angifuni ukukutshela ukuthi senza njani mesifuna ukuthi agula zasinde. But lesasipikili siba nerole esiyidlalayo ukuthi ugula umuntu azashone. Siba nerole enkulu. I don't want ukuthi ngifundise into engcola. This time safuna ukuthi ngiclean izandla zami nginike into ezosiza lo yamuntu leyana. Yeah. Kuzoba nomuntu onezinkinga eziningi okhalweni lakhe, bayibiza ukuthi cervical problem kule ndawo la esokhalweni. Lento ngifuna ukukunika misihlule wena. Uzongitholela amagaqa kamango, mango seeds. There must be 100 of mango seeds. Thola izimbewu zamango zibe 100. I've got a reason why I want 100. Abanye kufuneka 99, but this time ngifuna wena uthole 100. There are time whereby sifuna 99. Uthola zibe 100 uzigaya zibe impuphu. Yebo sarkwazi. Faka cinnamon powder ama-teaspoon awu-100 aleveliwe. Levela ama-teaspoon ka-cinnamon powder nawe fake la kulo muthi na futhi awu-100 of 100. That thing alone, it able to cure cataracts, blindness, development of blindness, lento apha nemist umuntu. Lento able to kulapha umuntu wesilisa ongabathola abantwana. It able ukulapha umuntu wesifazane onama-fibroids. I-able ukulapha izifo eziningi ezisuke zisokhalweni as much as ezisemahlweni futhi. Just that. Izinto lezi ezinye ufuna sininike zona mase kube wena uhlulekayo. Ungangibuza ukuthi mina njengoba ngiyi-life estate ukwadaphaya 100 ngingawuthatha ngoba in order to go and buy yourself an avocado pear ka-Woolworths uthenge uzobe 100 wenze ke lento engishoyo. Wenze lento umbuzo ukuthi babudokotela ngithole usuvuthwe kakhulu noma ngavuthwa kakhulu, I don't care. All I'm asking is just a seed. It's just a seed. This is Babu Dotel, Babu is Bojalo, Farm Pleasure, I just said to you people that sivule i-wellness place kunemishini engiyilethile esisebenzisa kakhulukazi kumuntu onenkinga yama-piles, onenkinga ye-constipation, onenkinga ye-acid, onenkinga yesilungulela, onenkinga yokukhunyelelwa yisisu. Lo mshini sibiza cupping machines, and we are using those machines in order to help those people. And thereafter kunomuntu omunye osuke ethi babudokotela kwanyawo zami zindikindiki, nyawo zami zindikindiki angizizwa. Then ngalo ndlela ke lo muntu ke uyafika kubabudokotela simfake ke emshinini. Come to trip yase Qatar. Mina noSibari wami uFithi uSibusiso Zulu, we went in that particular country called Qatar. Dolobha lakhona kuthiwa Doha. Senza okuyenzayo ngamprovela kuSibari lento ebengimtshela ukuthi you see this country, it has no rivers. Akukho mfula kuphuza ulwandle. Bakithi amaSulumane aphila impilo. Aphila impilo lena thina esiyiphuphayo. They live the lifestyle that we dream. You got no idea. Ngize nganenzela ngabenzela ivideo abantu ngabashuthela ngabapostela abantu kushuthi abakwazi uku-understand ngendlela right bathi I only ngishuthe i-toilet labo angizange ngishuthe i-bathroom enjanja kodwa ngifuna ukukhuluma ngingene kwenye ama-bathroom amo in one of their bathrooms, not all, in one of their bathrooms. It was so expensive. Everything was marble. Doors were marbles. Everything was marbles. I said, my goodness, if I can have ikish elbiza kanje, that will be enough. Lapana eKatar, it's just a bathroom. It's just a bathroom. Yeah, it's just a bathroom. Laba bantu baphila impilo. Bane airport ke lapana eDoha. That airport, there are shops. In Johannesburg, we got shops in our airport as well. In Durban, we got airport as well. King Shaka, we got shops as well. But our shops in these malls, when they close, they roll down the roller doors and they close. You understand? Bayavala like South Africa. Sebehamba leso sitolo bayavala kanjalo kanti ukufike nje airport kusa ama-shut ama-roller doors shut it down. Go to Qatar. Azikho izicapha. They don't close. They just don't close. They leave it like that. When it's about 1 o'clock, going for prayer on a Friday, they surrender everything, leave it like that. They do not close. And in angikhulumi ngey'tolo ey'dayisa umsangano. Tolo ey'dayisa into equality. Expensive jewelry. But people don't take things. You don't understand it. You literally don't understand it. Their airport is vast, not huge. It is vast. And masifika lapha noSibari, I was tired. Wathi uSibari hayi ngeke mina Sibari ngisafuna uke ngibuke le airport uthi nje ngathi kulungile. And then I knocked out with my 3 phones. Eyodwa ibengapha awu2 bengapha nezikhwama lezi. Ngalokha out wahamba uSibari wazi wabuya ngilele. Ngafika sengapha mase kunezikhwama zakhe ukuthi uke wafika. And my phones, everything was there. And then guess what? Abantu kade bebe-clean bebedlula. Kunabanye abalele ngapha ngemva kwamama suka whatever. Balele lemva kwami. Ukuba bengila kwamanye amazwe ase-Africa, ngifuna ukusebenzisa igama e-South Africa kuzobe sengathi mhlawumbe I'm downsizing South Africa. But ukuba bengikwamanye amazwe ase-Africa kule airport, bengizovuka wonke amafoni engekho. Just phones bengizovuka engekho. And then there were no one to ukuthi uzobuza kuyena ukuthi hey amafoni Nepalese kuna kade bephuma eNepal kade belela ngapha emva kwami. Ngizama ukuveza ukuthi kunamazwe asephila lempilo lethina esiyiphuphayo. And then ufika laphana eQatar, iChina liclean ama toilet njengoba itshetha sisile nje lana. iChina likopa amasimba lapha eBush in Qatar. The way ama-China engeyilutho ngayo. njengoba thina siwa respect la siloko kwesitshela ni ha umsanganweni lapha nama China akasula amasimba ama toilet ngibonile mina into engithusa ngathi iChina liseka nje ilikorobha amasimba toilet if we clean we are exposed to anything eyenzekayo sinabonge ngibonekela konke ngibone lokho ngikho ke lapho ke security guards I notice most of them are Africans kwenziwa yini I even met abantu abangilandela ku YouTube those guys they're from Tanzania they're from Kenya but vetting is very 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 strict and then the beauty about in Qatar they are not employing you because you are practicing Islam they employ you because you're qualified kulo field lo ifuna a security guard in Qatar is trained for 6 months a security guard they trained a security guard for 6 months and thereafter at airport there are no police or soldiers who carry big guns no can't see that you only see security guards literally from Africa or from Nepal or from India those 3 countries phela angikho ke lapha ngintshela nje ukuthi uhamba lami nebeluhle ngase ngathatha ke isinqumo sokuthi angingene ngaphakathi ngothola into engizele bengiyofuna ke into esibiza izamzam izamzam bakithi ayizamazama izamzam bakithi it's one of the breakthrough empilweni zabantu engifuna ukuthi ngibanike zona and then izamzam sikhipha ngo950 rand ngikwaze ukuthola engalengana abantu abawu 80 kuphela but my worrisome is one when I left Qatar I took their numbers so that if ingiphelela I don't have to fly back to Qatar ngizokwazi ukuthi bangiposele ever since I landed in South Africa they never take my calls once again I call them on WhatsApp I call them with this number they don't take my calls nothing ngibafona direct not on WhatsApp they don't pick up the phones WhatsApp share my no nothing ukuthi kwenzekeni I just don't understand it noma they are regretting ukuthi they released into apha ebaphilisayo by mistake I don't know I just don't know okay I come to zamzam izamzamo ngizokunika yona ngo950 rand into ozongitholela wena ibowl musufaka amaqanda abe3 musuthatha lo muno lo yabo lo muno lo thathe lo muno lo lamaqanda owamixe kanje ufaka izamzam napha yes ufaka izamzam la ukhuluma lento ungayenzi if ungaxakekanga ngathi ngikhuluma nomuntu lana ongaxakekile but yeah not zamzam water zamzam there is zamzam water and there is zamzam then ungayenzi ungaxakekanga then you stir it once you finish to stir it you got to be naked the time you stir this and then apply this thing emzimbeni wakho igcobe izophuma ezantsi wait for like 30 minutes hamba uyogeza but ngizocela ukusho mina abangitshele kona yabo ngokwabo bathi ufuna ugeze ngamanzi abandayo ngithi mina iSouth Africa it is huge in Durban it's very warm not hot very warm in Johannesburg it's very cold how am I expecting somebody to bath with cold water before ilanga liphume before the sunrise ngithi no mina ngokwami angisho ngokwami I always suggest ukuthi a person must use lukewarm water not literally cold water it is so cold in South Africa kunendawo ezibanda ngempela Drakensberg is very cold Lesotho is very cold Free State is very cold Mpumalanga is very cold then I'm not intended to make people sick uyayithatha ke lento stereo usuyayigcoba musu usuyageza uma uthola izamzam hamba wena make it your own effort to go look for cinnamon powder hamba uyestore supermarket ukuthi ufuna cinnamon powder ihlala la kubekwa ngakhona ama spice and uzobe usuthatha cinnamon powder uthathe imali e1 rand imifika izamzam wena ifika no 1 rand verse lo 1 rand uzowufaka la esandleni sakho ucaphuna izamzam uyithele kanje uthatha cinnamon powder uyithele kanje and then afa umusoya uthola umpompi umuse uthi ugeza izandla kanje empompini uma ungenawo umpompi ithi uvula ujeke kanje amanzi ufuna ehlaxhaxhaze ahambe same time amanzi kungaba amanzi acirculate ndawo ugeza izandla kanje ukhulume ngemali umuntu osuke efuna imali kuphela uma ukuthi nje wena uyidinga imali ongayihluphi ngezamzama then uma usuyalithatha le shumi lelo uyalisula kahle ulubuyisela phakathi futhi kwizamzama lihlala phakathi immediately that when you finish to do that you do that for 7 days you do that for 7 days that is zamzam labantu abanayo izamzam guess what akekho othi sifikile kuyena ever since ngiodile ngibuyile engilindele ukuthi abangitshele mase sebethi sifikile kunokunye ngeke ngikhulume ku social media okuqondene ke manje nezamzam oseqondene nomuntu ongayenza ama inquiries ngifuna mina umuntu okhuluma ngemali no 952 now no 110 rand okuboss mase kunokunye ekungakubhalanga ngeeven phansi angikubhalike phansi lokuya okwakhe on one ukuthi yini azoyenza ngezamzam. This is Babu Dr. Babu says bojabule mfana mhlanje ekhehle nomzukulo abancane. Itopic ethu namhlanje bethi return trip from Qatar. Siyabonga.